Hey guys, well I was digging everything out, decided to do a quick overview of some of the black cat bricks that I have. We'll start over on the right here. It's one of my favorite back wraps. This is a 2100, but it's got the duck back wrap. I thought these were really cool. Went over to the KHT 1-inchers. Well, let's do the 8016 first. This thing's pretty awesome. These are 1.5 inchers. But the side, you can see all the different colors. Those guys, of course. Got the KHT back wrap too. These are the 1-inchers. These are all KHT. Sorry for the glare. This 2100 right here, the 1-inchers, and a 10200 KHT back wraps. Moving on over here, you got a 2100. This is just your standard black cat back wrap. Pretty cool. And a 4016 is in there, standard back wrap. It's a 50/20 1-inchers. Pretty cool. 4012s. This one's a bit dirty. A little lighter yellow on those. Then another 1-incher, 4050, which is pretty cool. These are so cool. They all got the oops, I can't see because of the glare, but confetti wrap. Pretty cool. Yeah, that's it though. Just brief show and tell.